Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing here. It's a Seiko. It's a limited edition. I believe it's one of 3,000 SRPJ41. This is the one with the translucent dial, two different colors, and I believe they're sold out. So let's check this thing out. This box kind of reminds me of what a Grand Seiko would come in, not necessarily a Seiko. Shoot, sorry about that. Just banged the camera. This watch was designed by a Japanese gentleman. I forgot his name. I'll leave a link in the description to the Seiko website. It goes in a little more detail on this. So let's get this out of here. Looks like a lid on here. Okay, I guess not. I thought this part would come off, but the whole top here is coming off. Oh my goodness, box after box after box. What's going on here? It's like some kind of, say, like a map or something. Very neat. Remember how this... Oh, okay, very cool. Big block of foam here, I guess. That's the Japanese gentleman there. Can't read that, it's his signature, but like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah, that's very cool. So again, SRPJ41, and I'm zoomed out. You can't really see what I'm doing here all that well, so let's zoom in a little bit. So there's the translucent dial. It's bicolor, two colors. Well, actually, I guess three with the black horizontal line there. Oh yeah, that's right. This isn't a screw down crown, so I'm winding it right now. There we go. Got the second hand moving. So translucent orange dial, and then you have the orange second hand there. So let's move the handset out of the way, or out of the 10-10 position, I should say. Then we can move the date. Yeah, so that's cool. So you can actually see the whole entire date wheel turning around there. Then you can move the day, of course. It's kind of neat seeing that whole thing rotate around through there. I mean, you know that's what it's doing when you see it going through the date window, but actually see it underneath the dial is very cool. I like seeing the kanji characters. So yeah, there we go. I'll put this on wrist. Oh, there's the case back. I don't think I've ever seen any pictures of the case back. Okay, so that's kind of a translucent case back with a signature on there. Hopefully, there we go. Got the light just right on there. Made in Japan. So yeah, very interesting. Nope. I don't know if I'll wear this or not. Push pins. I don't know. I don't know if I'll wear this. Let me put it on wrist and then we'll close out the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It really does help me out. Stamped clasp. Wish it would taper a little more. Well, this is that. Yeah, that's right. The clasp is kind of, or the bracelet. So it's hollow end links. And then also these links here are hollow. It's just a stamped sheet metal. It's kind of curled over there. And then same thing on this end right here. You see it's just a hollow, it's not an end link. I don't know what you call that link there, but I don't know. I'm a little disappointed in the bracelet on these. I mean, I guess these are their lower end watches, but still, it'd be nice to have a solid end link. Anyway, let's get this on wrist. Sorry about the noise of that plastic. Hopefully it's not too loud on your end. So there we go. Let me know what you think of this watch, and also curious your thoughts on limited edition watches in general. I think these collaborations are neat. I don't know, I just feel like there's thousands of different special editions put out by Seiko. Okay, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.